name is Farooq Iman. My name is Muhammad Dede bin Muhammad Zafir.
My name is Nuralia Zafira bin Buzata.
Today we will present our company. Okay, for overview about this project, we analyze the stock solar glass holding Berhad and the time frame that we use the indicator that we use simple moving average, Bollinger Band, RSI, William and percent range, and MFI. This project analyzes the price movement of solar glass share using the technical analysis and daily chart. The focus is on the trend, price pattern, and technical indicator to understand market momentum and potential future price movement. The key observation: price show medium trend uptrend, consolidation price after rally, volatility fluctuates based on the Bollinger Band, and momentum weak, but uptrend structure remain. So for introduction, the purpose of technical analysis to analyze the price movement, identify trend and momentum, access trending decision, stock booking, solar glass Berhad, company involved in renewable energy, solar glass solar solution, stock and growth and momentum profile. The objective, identify trend direction, determine entry, hold, and exit signal. Technical analysis is used to study price movement based on historical data without directly considering fundamental factor. In this study, solar glass was chosen because it is an actively trended renewable energy sector stock and show the key price movement in the term of a trend and volatility. So this is our company background. Company such as leading Malaysia solar, leading Malaysia solar and renewable energy company with diverse and project portfolio. Exceeding 2,000 MW operating across Malaysia and the Asia Pacific region. And the key project a complete landmark project including the 100 MW AC solar plant in the Sarawak, along the numerous rooftop and utility scale installation from commercial and industry clients. Strategic partnership, entering to join venture with the Brookfield to develop 1.5 GWP for solar and battery storage project, achieve capacity and leverage international expertise. And the last one is financial and market position, demonstrate strong financial performance, long-term PPAS, securing steady revenue and ongoing regional expansion, establish solar base and group focus leader in renewable energy. Okay, this is our comparative performance. So based on the chart, what chart show the analyzed period January 2025 to January 2026. Solar glass holding Berhad price increased by 95%, 95.62%. FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI increased also, which is 3.44%. Solar glass record significantly higher return than the market. This indicates strong outperformance relative to the KLCI. Easy conclusion, summarize solar glass outperformance in KLCI during the analysis period, and this is again about 96%, while the KSI increased only 3%, showing the solar glass clearly outperforming the market. And this is our trend primary. So what the chart show is the primary side weight, which is, and in the second slide I will show primary side weight trend period late 2023 and early 2034. Price movement with a narrow range indicate market indecision. Primary uptrend period mid 2025 to early 2026, which is the higher high and higher low that show that a strong bullish momentum. in the short term bearish movement, which is in early 2026 temporary pullback, it does not break over uptrend. Conclusion, the dominant primary trend is a bullish. Next. Secondary. Okay, this is secondary trend analysis. Uptrend correction, short-term price pullback occurring with the main uptrend, and following by the price continuation sideways. As you can see, in this side is a sideways, which is temporary sideways movement. Market paused before the next move, showing the uptrend. Price breakout, price break above consideration rate, and signal continuation of a bullish trend. In this easy summarize, the secondary trend is a healthy correction and consolidation with a strong uptrend. Thank you.
Next is I will explain the chart data analysis. First, based on this chart, we can clearly see a uptrend movement, which is indicated by the formatting higher low and higher high, which suggests the buyer are controlled and buying pressure remains strong. And next, after a strong upward movement, the price move into a consolidation phase near the resistance level. During the phase, the price move sideways resistance. This indicate that the price indicate that the seller are not strong enough to push the price over, but buyers are still testing the resistance level. At this stage, the price not yet very resistant, and then you see here is a booklet after booklet continuation pattern, and therefore the breakout up here after uptrend there is a resistance flat pattern, which is that move a sideways, and then the breakout is not confirmed yet, but the current price action represents a potential breakout setup rather than confirm a breakout. The uptrend form a pullback, and if a confirmed breakout occur, implicate is that the price is likely to continue moving upward following the existing uptrend. If the breakout fails, the price may continue consolidation or experience a short-term pullback. In conclusion, the chart shows an uptrend supported by higher low and higher high, along with a consolidation near resistance. Overall, the buyers remain bullish, but the breakout is still pending confirmation. Next.
For technical data, I'm going to talk about volume trend, simple moving average, Williams percentage rate, resistance rate index, and money flow index. For the first, I use RSI, relative strength index. As you can see from the graph, there's multiple levels that reach overbought, which is number 1, number 6, number 10, and number 12. Meanwhile, there's also one level that reach the oversold, which is number 4. And other than that, they're in the between consolidation phase or phase that for the investor to hold their stocks. For RSI level above 70 is overpriced, which is as you can see overbought. Below 30 is oversold. For investor, we can buy the stocks. Meanwhile, for 70 to 70 is a normal or healthy trend, which is for investor we can hold the stock. Based on the RSI indicators, Solarbest shows clear oversold signals that lead to price rebounds and overbought signals that result in price consolidations. Overall, RSI stay mostly in the 40 30 to 70 range, indicating a strong bullish trend with a healthy pullback. As we can see, for the last trends in the RSI trend is 13. We can see they're still in the consolidation phase, which is 30 and 70. The recommendation for existing investor is to hold, and also for the potential investor is to hold the stock. And second, I'm going to talk about William percentage range. The key level is -2 and to -80. For -2, we can say the stock is overbought, which is for the investor we should sell it. Below -80 is oversold, which for the investor is to bought the stock. Meanwhile, for between -20 and -80 is a normal trading range. For the investor, we can hold the stock. For potential is to hold from buying the stock. Based on the William percentage range, indicators all of that shows clear oversold and overbought signals. When William percentage range moves below -80, the price tends to rebound giving buy signals. When it's moved above -20, the price often pullbacks, indicating sell or profit-taking opportunities. Overall, the indicator confirms that Solovis is in the bullish trend, with pullback acting as buying opportunities. In the chart, we can see there's a lot of overbought is above -20. For oversold, there's 6 that we can see in the charts for oversold. My recommendation for potential investor is to hold the stock or hold from buying the stock. For existing investor is to hold from maybe sells or bought the stocks. For MFI is money flow index. As we can see in the chart, there's a lot of overbought level, which is 80, which is above 80, and there's one that almost reached or at the same level 20 for oversold level. Meanwhile, there's multiple level that reach 20 to 80 level, which is indicating for normal buying. Let's say based on money flow index, you can see for all this, Solovis experienced clear oversold conditions that led to price rebounds and overbought conditions, followed by consolidations. The presence of bearish divergence indicate weakening buying pressure. However, since the price remains above the ascending or uptrend trend line, the overall trend is still bullish, with current pullbacks viewed as healthy corrections. As you can see at the end of the trend, the level is still between 20 to 80 level, which is the healthiest trend, not the healthiest trend, but healthy trend. For my recommendations for the investor is first, for existing investor is to hold from buying or sell the stocks. For potential investor is to hold from buying the stocks. My conclusion for these three, which is RSI, MFI, and William percentage range, is to hold the stocks for both of the investors. And next, we're going to take a look for technicals overlay, which is Carl.
Okay. Ira has explained about the certain part of technical oscillator. So you can see here the technical overlays. So we use the two types of technical overlays, which is we use SMA and also the Bollinger Band. But before we go deeply into the solar bands, we go to the base. We go to the base logic of the technical overlay, which is SMA when the price is above the SMA line, it shows the uptrend. And when the price below the line, it shows the downtrend. We use the two line here, which is the SMA 15 days and also SMA 200 days. SMA actually to the average price over time. So when we use SMA 50, we see the average price in 50 days. We look at it. Start with the early year in 2025. The price is above the 15 SMA line. It shows the short-term uptrend here, but a few months later, the price is falling down below the SMA line, which is across the 50-day line, 200 lines, but it's temporary. It go back to the upward, but it's still not go too far. We see here the price is going up, very big uptrend here. The price working above the SMA 50 line. So you can see the very big uptrend here. Next. We go to the next band. The Bollinger Band is also, we use this for technical overlay to determine the support resistance, and also we want to identify the market trend, the volatility. The same logic according to the SMA 15 and SMA 200. You can see that we take the early month of 2025. In January, the price start in the middle line, middle band. And then also the price going up a little bit, but not so fast. Fall a little bit. And for the investors who make the fundamental analysis, who are very confident about this company that will grow up, they buy it. And they hold for a temporary. But for the short-term investor, they maybe buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. Like we know what we call in the geographic factors or economic factors, the price going down for a while, and the price touch the lower band. When the close price, bearish price, close over the lower band, shows the price will going down. But like I said recently, the economic factor, maybe economic factor, the investors not really want to sell the stocks. So they buy again when they see the potential or the economic potential. So the price is going up. But investors are not giving the 100% confidence. The price is not touching the upper band, still touching the middle band. I think the potential investor who make the fundamental and can see the future, who has a Chinese brand, they buy here. Then they hold for a long time, not a long time, but they hold for a medium time, for a month, and they see the price is cross the middle band and going into the upper band and middle band. The price move around here. That I call it as consolidation. That is not a bigger movement in the price. Okay. For 2 until 3 months, the price is the bullish price is close over the upper band, and the upper band is lean up. The signal is the price will going up. Price they will be uptrend. But before we go here, we can see here it have a squeeze. It's product squeeze. When you see squeeze here, the open squeeze, it signs something big will happen, something big will happen. But we don't know. The investor don't know. The price will go up or going down. So investors need to carefully and to alert something news or whatever lah about the company. Also, continue what I said. The price bullish candle close over the upper band, so the price is going up. But they have a little short-term pullback. I don't think it's a pullback, but for a newbie, I call this thing pullback. They fall for a little, but not too much falling, and this is not say what I say about the logic of Bollinger Band. When the bearish price close over the lower band, it's supposed to be, the price is supposed to be going down, but the price is going up. The price bullish and cross the middle line and touch the upper band and continue going up. Overall, the price shows the uptrend momentum. This is Solaves has accumulation phase. Next. Okay. You can see in 2026, the year of in the early year, the price is in the middle band. So there is no confirmation that the price will go going up or going down. So for the investor who has buy in here and hold for a long time, they still need to hold. But for a investor who want to take profit in the 1 year, so they buy here and they stay here, buy here and here. But if they are greedy, they maybe hold. They want to wait for price going more up, going up. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay. When we combining the SMA 15 and also Bollinger Band, I think to combine SMA 15 and SMA 200 is very difficult. signal, not the signal, just the to use just let use jadi guna lah untuk to identify the trend. The trend is going up, and what I said recently, the price is above the line, shows the upper trend, uptrend. So the price working above the price is value compared to the price working below the SMA line. We combine these two technical overlay Bollinger Band to see the volatility and momentum, and also the combination reduce false signals. For us who are late to buy, we can buy at there. We can buy when the price going up. They have a pullback. We buy here. But before we buy, we need to know the company has a good fundamental. Good fundamental company will going up. So we look at chances, the price pullback for a while. We buy here, and the price continue up, going up.
So without taking your guys' signs, for conclusion, I can conclude based on our justification from me and my friends. For investors, we can hold the stocks. The stock has a significant outperforms, which we can see from the FTSE Bursa Malaysia, is supported by strong earning growth and a healthy EPCC order book and favorable renewable energy sector trends. Looking ahead, SolarVest outlook remains cautiously optimistic, supported by continued project wins and policy support for renewable energy. While for short terms, the price fluctuations may occur, and for the long term, the investor may consider accumulating during the consolidation phase, while existing investor can hold or take profit during overbought conditions. Overall, careful timing and effective risk management are key to maximizing the returns for the investor. Thank you.
My question for the indicators, is it you use single moving average or double moving average?
Sorry.
For the SMA indicators, you use single moving average or double moving average?
Use as single moving average.
But you put two moving average, right?
The double.
But the explanation is more on single moving average.
Like single not you salah dengar apa ni? Simple not single. Simple.
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 So, looking at your single moving average explanation, you said that when the price is above cross the SMA line, right? So, is it the bullish or bearish momentum?
So when the price
Cross
above
above.
the SMA line, it shows the uptrend.
Okay. If the price cross below the moving average,
Below it shows the falling point or falling price.
Which is down.
okay, you use the terms scalper and swinger. What do you understand is the scalper and
That's short term buy and sell. Short term buy and sell. Short term buy and sell.
swinger?
Swing
on Bollinger Band, you use term swing traders. Bollinger Band at F, you said that strong buy for the swing traders, and they can take profit. What do you understand with the swing traders? The term of swing traders? Because you put in the report.
Swing trader, according what I learned, so they buy when the price is going up and sell also same thing. They sell the price going up. And the price is above the price they buy for.
Okay, look at your integration analysis recommendation. When you state the explanation of the moving average on the Bollinger Band, I look at your integration analysis and the recommendation parts. Why you put the, I read it, your report, use the BB base middle line on moving average 50 as an exit point if the price starts to be down. What do you mean with the sentence?
So can you restate the question?
And the BB explanation, integration and BB, and integration recommendation. Integration. Recommendation part.
for the existing investor, like say they bought the stocks early in the year, in the beginning of 2035, they hold, and if they are not selling, they are not make any sell, they are need to hold, because the price at the beginning of 2086 is price is in the middle band. What I analysis is heading to hold as the investor, but potential investor.
The center you use the VP base middle line or MA50 as an exit point if the price starts to leak down, and then you continue with the center if the price closes below the MA50.
Because
There is an early signal to exit or reduce the position.
because middle line, middle band is equals to the same like MA15. Same like that. Because when we turn on the Bollinger Band and the SMA15, the line is you cannot see where's the
Same like MA50. Seriously, below band like MA50. Lower band to standard deviation of 20 period closing price mean SMA 20, but use the two standard
Oh, you're not
deviation. Okay, thank you. Next group.
Ayo lah.